What is going on, guys? Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at the park about to do my first FPV flight with the Skitzo Nova. And yeah, I'm really excited for this. In the last video you saw me reconfigure this, add a Spectrum receiver, do some component wiring, things like that. At least for my needs, I think this is a perfect quad. And then I also off camera went ahead and installed on the battery and on like this camera system up front. But anyways, in that video we did only a hover test. So we're going to be doing an FPV test today. Just kind of see how it turns out. Of course, we've got lots of battery straps holding down this camera right here on the front. It's just a little 4K DB power action camera. Nothing really special, so if I lose it or it breaks or something, you know, it's not the biggest deal ever. You know, not as big a deal if it was my Osmo Action that I'm holding right now. So yeah, anyways, I have a Rhino 1550 LiPo on there, 4-cell of course, 50C. I'm really excited for this, and I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and record both the DVR and the HD footage, and I'll go ahead and mix it in with a voiceover here in a second. So let's go ahead and head out to the flight.
Alright guys, so we are here and we're ready to go ahead and get this flight underway. You can see we've got that graphical OSD with a lot of different good readings. One of them happens to be faulty, which is causing the alarms there, which is the RSSI, which I'll get into in a minute, but let's go ahead and get up in the air. You can see we've got quite a bit of power kind of in those motors here. I'm really happy with how this thing performs just straight out of the gate. I am running the stock rates at the moment, however, after this video I went ahead and made some changes, and you'll see some more flight footage coming very soon with that. However, I'm really happy just with how responsive this is, even carrying a full-size GoPro and a large 1550 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, about that OSD, you can see up in the corner blinking, there is a 49. That's the RSSI, like the signal strength, and that's below the threshold, and that's why you get those visual beeping kind of messages there. But other than that, I mean, this OSD is working perfectly. We've got voltages and milliamp hour readings. It's working really well. And yeah, so we're just bombing around the field here, and there's not much else to do. I mean, you don't have really a subject to chase. Just kind of getting low to the ground, going fast, doing some nice bank turns, funnels, things like that. Open air tricks. But like I said, there's really not much else to do out here. You know, where FPV is the most fun is where you have something to fly around. You know, you have the obstacle to dive, to loop, to stuff like that, or something to chase like a plane or a car, or I don't even know. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some more of that in the future, but just getting my bearings. It's good to have all this wide open space to feel free, you know, feel like I can crash and not break something or risk anybody's personal safety out here. That's really a burden off my shoulders, just learning FPV. But yeah, we've got the ropes down. It's actually a pretty smooth flight. This frame does a really good job as it is, but you'll see in a second things kind of go downhill. It kind of got unfortunate. You'll see it right about here, but thankfully everything was okay, so I'll just put that out there. Yeah, we just kind of hit right there. Yeah.
Alright guys, so a little update after that incident we had there. It actually wasn't that hard of a crash. It was a pretty shallow angle. It was just the bounces, things like that. So the initial impact wasn't that bad. So the quad itself is actually just in perfect condition. One main damage right here is this prop got a little bent out of shape, but I bent it back. And normally I would replace that pretty quick. However, I bent it back and I could barely even notice where it was. It's just a little fold right there. You might be able to barely see a little crease line, but it's bent back and it's nice and strong. And I think we're going to be good to go for the moment, but I won't hesitate to go ahead and replace it in the future if we had another incident. The action camera is fine right here. The rest of the quad, of course, structurally is fine. The only real main damages, I guess, came from the battery here and just a little bit on the casing right here came apart. So no cell damage, no puffing or anything like that on this, but if we have any more problems with this, I'll be very quick to throw it away because I don't really want any problems with my LiPos. That's pretty much asking for a bad day right there. But other than that, as you can see, the LiPo is the real only thing that had an issue, but it's all good to go besides some markings and a little bit of case damage down below, but I just took some tape, wrapped it up, and we are good to go here. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, make sure to splash that like button. I will be doing some more like air-to-air stuff with different planes and things like that as well. So stay tuned for those, and ask me down in the comments section below if you have any questions, as well as recommend flying spots, video ideas, things like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.